Hi guys, Steve up at the property, and this week we have yet another product review. Um, this goes back to when I just recently rented the chipper to clean up along the driveway, lots of down branches and stuff. And that machine, the 6-inch chipper from Home Depot, very loud. And I would use the little earplugs, the like styrofoam thingies, disposables you stick in your ears. And you know what? They're kind of uncomfortable. They do take the bite out a little bit with the noise, but it's still really loud and bothers my ears. Now, I'm not really doing it so much because I'm worried so much about losing hearing, although that is a thing. It's when you're doing that, it's just really loud, and after a while, it really gets on you, especially when you're doing it all day. Now, today, I'm cutting the lawn, and I really like these things. They're comfortable, they got little squishy pads, and they're also Bluetooth. So what I do is I put my phone in my pocket and I play music. And when I'm on the ride-on mower and I'm using the regular lawn mower, I put these on. I can listen to music or a podcast or whatever you want. And I'll tell you, I really got a kick out of them. I like them. I think they're a home run. I got it from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the price of what I paid down here. But when you're spending a long amount of time doing something that makes a lot of noise, we all know how it really gets on your nerves. And these things are a real good solution. Now, if you got your phone with you, you can answer your phone, you can listen to music, and it comes with this pretty substantial heavy-duty leather, or probably fake leather, pouch. And they give you a charging card. You stick it into your computer, it charges up, and I forget how much, I'll put down here how much time of use you get out of it. But I wore these things all day, and it lasted, and it's got plenty of charge left in it. So if you're using it to cut your lawn, I think you're in good shape. It's got these buttons on the side, for power, and if you want to change tracks, if you want to answer your phone. I mean, you take it out of the box, you plug it in, you charge it, and you're ready to go. It was real easy. You got to pair it with the Bluetooth on your phone. This thing was real easy to set up. So, as far as setup goes, it gets the Steve's Cabin seal of approval. But I'm gonna wear them all day. I got to start out cutting the lawn on the island in the pond. I use the push mower for that. And then when I'm done with that, then I get on the ride-on mower. I got to pump up the tires. That's another problem. These tires don't hold air, but I can pump it up and it'll be good for the whole day. And then we'll come back. I'll show you me wearing them, cutting the lawn, and then I'll let you know what I think about them. All right, guys, let's get to work. They work great. I like being able to listen to the music. I've never had anybody call me on my cell phone while I've been on this thing, but you can answer it and talk to somebody. I imagine you have to have your phone out of your pocket so they can hear you. But these things really make cutting the lawn a little less of a job. There is one thing that I don't like about them, and it's nothing you could really avoid when you wear these things in the summer. It gets hot. Like my ears are sweaty. But you know what? Unless you're out here all day and it's really hot, you're going to be okay. So these things get loud. You need to protect your ears. It gets a little annoying, and it just grates on your nerves after a while listening to these things drone on. So this really takes a lot of the bite out of it. Yeah, on a hot day, they're a little uncomfortable because it's hot. But overall, I'd much rather have them than not. These are the Prohear ear muffs. Like I said earlier, links in the description. Price I paid is down here. Really worth it. I like them. And what's good about it is you could just plug it into your computer. You know, you put in that, the phone charging cord in here, and it's good to go. If for whatever reason you forget to charge them, you can throw them in your car, charge them there. Very convenient, easy to use. I like them. It gets the Steve's Cabin seal of approval. Guys, thanks for tagging along with me this week. I'll catch you next time.